My name is Samantha Torres, and I'm going to be your occupational therapist with...
My name is Maria Elena Cabrera. I'm also going to be your occupational therapist today.
Hello. Hi. We're going to be doing some assessments on you. How are you feeling today?
Good.
Awesome. Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. I'm going to put this in front of you. Awesome. It says, look at this racetrack. Draw a line all the way around the racetrack. The car can go around the track in either direction. Stay in the gray part of the track, and once you start your line, do not lift your pen from the paper until you get to the end. Put your booklet in a comfortable position for you, and leave it in the position while you make your line. Do you feel comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. Go. Great. Go ahead and flip the page. It says, look at this racetrack's curves. Draw a line all the way around the racetrack. The car can go around the track in either direction. Keep your line in the gray part of the track and don't lift your pen until you finish. Go.
Okay. Look at the page in front of you. You will see one shape at the top of the page and 3 other shapes below it. Find the shapes down here, okay, that are like the shape up here. The shapes that you are looking down here might be bigger, smaller, darker, or lighter than the shape at the top of the page. They might be turned on their sides or upside down, or they may be hidden in a drawing. There may be more than one image that has the same shape like the one at the top. Which of the images at the bottom have the same shape as the drawing on top?
C.
Okay. Go ahead and do another one. The next one, I mean.
A, B.
Okay. Let's do some more. Go ahead and flip the page.
A, F.
So, look at this page. Do you see all the boxes?
Yes.
Each box has a drawing at the top half and nothing on the bottom half. I want you to draw the figure that you see up here on the top part. Down here on the blank space. Okay. When you draw your figure, make sure that it stays inside the box and doesn't touch the sides of the box. You may not erase. Begin your drawings with the first one, okay? When you have completed the first row, move on to the bottom row. There are more drawings on the next page. Continue to draw until I tell you to stop or you come to an end. Okay, ready? Go. This one doesn't need to. Look at the drawing at the top of the page. Now look at the drawings down here. Someone did not finish these drawings. Try to imagine what they would look like if they were finished. If they were finished, which one of these drawings would look exactly like the drawing at the top? Let's try, oh, never mind. Okay, so Oh, these down here, which one looks like this if it were completed?
B.
Okay. Go ahead and flip to the next page. Okay, so now we're looking at this one. Which of these would look like this one if it were completed?
C.
C. Okay. Let's go ahead and try some more.
Alright, we're going to move on to the next section. So, I want you to make a trail by drawing a line through the numbered circles in order. That is, draw a line from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. You can draw through the circles. Continue drawing until you reach the circle marked end. Try not to touch any circles without numbers. Do it as fast as you can without making mistakes. Ready? Go. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and move on. You can flip the page. We're going to do the same thing, starting here at number 1 and ending down there. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go. Wonderful. You can go ahead and flip that page. We're going to move on to the next thing.
I want to see how fast you can make different marks inside these shapes. Look up here at the top of the page. See the 2 lines drawn inside the big circle?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. The big circle and the X inside the small square.
Yes.
Right? Okay. Nothing is drawn in either the big square or the little circle, okay? Try to keep your marks. Oh, I'm so sorry. Take your pen and make 2 lines in the big circle. Okay. And then make an X in the little square. Try to keep your marks inside the shapes. Good. Now look at example B. Okay? This time I want you to do the same thing, but do it as fast as you can and go from left to right. Don't do all the big circles you see first.
Don't do?
Yeah. Then the small squares. Do them in order. If you make an error, just keep going. Try to keep your marks inside the shapes. Go ahead. Okay. Go ahead and flip to the other side for me. There you go. Okay. When I turn the page, you are going to see the same shapes. Wait until I say go, then make as many marks as you can. Remember, mark the big circles. Oops, excuse me. Remember, mark the big circles with 2 lines and the small squares with X's. Do them in order and try to keep your marks inside of the shapes. Go as fast as you can. I'm going to give you 1 minute. And then when I say stop, you will stop. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Set. Go.
Okay, let's move on to the next section. Flip the page. See the drawing at the top of the page and the shapes at the bottom of the page. I'm going to start over, hold on. See the drawings at the top of the page and the shapes at the bottom of the page. Which of the shapes down here are found in the drawing at the top of the page?
A.
The shapes in the drawing will be the same size.
A and D.
Perfect. Let's move on to example B. Let's do another one. Which of these shapes down here are found in the drawing at the top of the page?
C. B. A. E.
All right. Let's do another one. Go ahead.
C. F. H. G. That's it.
Go ahead and move on.
G. F. C. E. H. B. E. A. C. E. H. F. C. D. H. A. D. C. H. D. E. H. F. A. F. C. A. B. E. F. B. F. D. E.
Great. That concludes our session for today.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
We'll get those results back to you as soon as we're finished.
Awesome.
Okay.